Your soul cause is in direct alignment with your existence purpose. You may have one without the alternative. They have the same vibration, so they may be a vibrational fit. The spiritual community emphasizes that everybody's soul motive is specific. This guy's reason is to be a creator, and the other a teacher. What about the concept that we've got many functions, and that narrowing it right down to one will disconnect the soul from his or her motive? Since your soul purpose and life goals are aligned, your final reason on the planet is to be, no longer do. The doing thing is one a part of how we express and revel in our soul self. The purpose so many human beings are sad of their jobs or in their lives is they aren't listening to their soul's voice. We can constantly be examined in our discernment and boundaries, and we are by no means done finished. There is constantly more, thank God, or we would lose interest. However, now we realize better. We've got discovered from our reports on our shifting from an overall frequency based in fear to that in love. Because that is what the new fact vibe is, my friends. We cannot live in fear and accept extract peace. It's all cultivated, activated, and incurred from inside. In the end, it's vital to understand that our mind creates the monsters in our lives, or some other way of searching at it is that it's the frequency suit in our template that draws them like a magnet, visible and unseen. Entities, as an example, are in the long run poor thoughts forms, having taken on a clue of their own. If they in shape with ours, well, it is an active in shape. Because what's beneath the worth fear that we have been defending against? Why is that so vitally critical? A question so well worth asking and exploring at the moment. Can the destruction of something ever be the destruction of you? Nicely, the education for this has been to carry crushing down those pegs, situations, and beliefs about what's to grasp onto and what we've satisfied ourselves are so valuable. Because that is a time of so many possibilities on the table and so many doorways beginning. A sparkling begin, a reset, a freedom that we have not been capable of being ever before. Shopping for into the illusion keeps you caught inside the worry, anger, and guilt. When you begin to understand which you are residing in illusion, and that there may be no right or wrong, good or bad, you will learn to forgive and allow move of the anger and sadness. Most of the people who've had close to death experiences will inform you that this world isn't real and which you are not a sufferer of the earth. After their demise, they arrive lower back with a feeling of peace, love, and connection. They experienced the reality. Wouldn't you want to experience that now? If that is pushing an emotional button for you, or you are having an inner argument about the time why someone hurt you, and how real that is, or how it was real when a bad situation came about to you, please take a breath. As we virtually and deeply love and recognize ourselves, understanding that we are best and enough just as we are, our hearts increase and new DNA and quantum time codes activate. New realities come online in response. Tremendous exciting frequencies, everybody. Open up to acquire all which you are so worthy of and have worked so tough for. Understand and feel that it's so. Believing truly is seen. It's why we came to reprogram the matrix. All prepared going on. It's time to balance out the lively skills of giving and receiving. Control our power from a place of integrity and sovereignty, not giving it away. No more allowing and feeding the power as we stop playing the game. The game now stops. Time for a new fun one. Each thought, phrase, notion, feeling and movement that align with the natural ascension realities quickens the unfoldments as we keep causing ripples, shifts, and modifications within the quantum field.